actually pleading to 3 cases. So we're gonna try to make this happen. Let me just put things in order. And are there any applications in either of these cases?
No, Your Honor.
That's set. Just give me one moment. All right, I don't think I have the discovery acknowledgement in the 1298 case.
There should be 3 discovery acknowledgements for 3 different cause numbers.
All right, let me see what's going on. 079.
And then one has 2 counts.
Oh, I have that one. All right, the one that I'm missing, let me see if it's in here. It's been previously filed. Okay. Diana, it's 3 cases. Court is calling 2023 CR 1298, 2023 CR 0792, and 2023 CR 1297. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Brittany Mitchell and Stacy Harrington for the state.
for the defense?
Michael DeLeon for Mr. Martinez.
And are you Mr. Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all of the discovery? And did you review that discovery with your client?
I have, Your Honor. We have reviewed all those documents and I believe discovery is in compliance.
All right. No problem. In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Well, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the documents entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney, and did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
State in cause number 12, the cause number ending in 1298, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we are proceeding on 2 of the 7 counts. That would be count 5 and count 7. And waiving the remaining. And they're both to aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
Any
Objection.
objections? And then state in the cause number ending in 0792, are you proceeding on the indictments as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then in cause number 2023 CR 1297, state, do you have a motion with regards to the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor, we did file a motion to amend the indictment.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
And we are proceeding on the indictment as amended.
All right, Mr. Martinez, are you aware that the amendment that the state is making is a substantive change to the indictment? That you have time for your counsel to prepare for trial. Did you understand that?
Yes.
All right, you understand the change that the state is making to the indictment?
Was it changed? I didn't, yes, ma'am.
They say your counsel is saying there was a correction of the typographical error. Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do you still wish to proceed on the plea in that case? I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, then in each of the cause numbers, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? And did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand in cause number 2023 CR 1298? The state is proceeding on 2 counts of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. The range of punishment in each of those counts is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
And the cause number ending in 2023 CR 0792, the state is proceeding in 2 counts. Count 1 is a delivery of a controlled substance to a minor. The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And they're also proceeding in count 2 with prostitution, solicitation to a person under 18. The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And in cause number 2023 CR 1297, they're proceeding on sexual assault of a child. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And each of the cause numbers, if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand in each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering these plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights in each of these cause numbers and enter into a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, do you believe that your client has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offenses?
Yes, I do.
And has he been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, we've had extensive discussions.
Mr. Martinez, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the pleas?
No,
Has anyone promised you anything other than the pleas?
no,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. And each of the cause numbers, I'm going to show you the plea bargain page. Did you review those pages with your attorney? Did you understand them? All right. In each of the cause numbers, punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. And cause number 2023 CR 0792, count 1, there's a fine of $2,000. And cause number 2023 CR 1297, there is to be compliance with Chapter 62 registration and no contact with the complainant. And cause number 2023 CR 0792, the cause numbers will run concurrently. And you're to comply with registration. And cause number 0792, the counts are to run concurrently. Is it the party's intention that these cause numbers are to run concurrently?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
And in cause number 2023 CR 1298, there's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. And each count, there's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no harmful or injurious contact with Rocio Guardo, Janisa, Janysha Lee, Lorena Chavez, Miguel Guardo, Rigoberto Carrizales, Gabriela Carrizales, and Marco De La Fuente. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. In each of the cause numbers, I'm going to show you what's entitled waiver of appeal. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes,
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
There are no motions, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2023 CR 1298, how do you plead to count 5, guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contest.
How do you plead to count 7, guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
And cause number 2023 CR 1297, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And cause number 2023 CR 0792, how do you plead to count 1, guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Count two, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea.
Your Honor, we offer State's Exhibit number 1 and all attachments for each respective case.
Any objections?
No objection. My client and I have reviewed those documents and we have no objection.
All right. Mr. Martinez, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? Did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial? A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. State in each of the cause numbers, have the complainants been notified of the pleas?
They have, Judge, except for 0792, the complainant is in juvenile detention. We have reached out to her mother, but got no response. But the other complainants have been notified for the other two cause numbers. This is also 3 different offense states, just to let the judge.
Okay. All right, in cause number 2023 CR 1298, court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty of count 5 and count 7, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing in that cause number?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We ask the court to honor the 8-year deferred, 8-year agreement, Your Honor. You know.
Okay. You shocked her.
Me too.
All right. In that cause number, the court will sentence you to 8 years in count 1 and count 7. Both counts will run concurrent. This will run concurrent with cause numbers 2023 CR 1297 and 2023 CR 0792. And each cause number, there's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. With regards to the no harmful or injurious contact with these persons, have you all spoken to the persons and they want to have contact?
They are, as a whole, not cooperative.
All right, Mr. DeLeon, your agreement is no harmful or injurious contact. In this court, I don't allow for contact unless the complainants come in and say they want contact. I will be willing to do no in-person contact. Will that nullify your agreement?
No, Your Honor, that'll be fine.
All right, so there's to be no in-person contact. And what that means is that you can speak to them on the phone. They can write you letters. If they want to have contact with you at the prison, they'll need to come in. You understand?
Yes.
So there's to be no in-person contact with Rocio Guayardo, Janisha Lee, Lorena Chavez, Miguel Guayardo, Rigoberto Carrizales, and Marco De La Fuente. And I'll give you credit for any time served. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing under that cause number?
No, Your Honor.
Just so we're clear on the record, I believe Mr. Martinez has 250 days in Bear County Jail.
All right. And in that cause number, I'm going to show you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Mr. DeLeon, did you have a chance to review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, And because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, next we're going to proceed in cause number 2023 CR 1297.
And Judge, just momentarily, I think we're gonna do a motion to destroy the weapon on the I guess I'll tell the weapon case.
All right,
So they're working that up right now.
all right, thank you. You understand that the weapon is going to be destroyed in the aggravated assault with a deadly weapon case?
Yes, ma'am.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, and cause number CR 231297, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Court will sentence you to 8 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. And there should be Chapter 62 compliance. No contact with the complainant. This is to run concurrent with 2023 CR 0792. And what was that last cause number? And this will run concurrent with 2023 CR 1298. Is there anything else on that case with regards to sentencing from either side?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, next we're going to proceed with 2023 CR 1297. I'm sorry. 2023 CR 0792. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. And the court will find you guilty of count 1 and guilty of count 2. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
All right.
If I could just have this motion to destroy.
Sure. Court will sentence you in count 1 to 8 years TDC. This is to run concurrent with count 2, which is 8 years TDC. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. And that $2,000 fine is in count 1. This is to run concurrent with 2023 CR 1298, 2023 CR 1297. And in count 2, there's to be Chapter 62 registration. And there's to be no contact with the complainant. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, You're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
Just turned 20 today.
All right, so you're 20. 8 years is a long time. I know that anytime you're in custody, it's a long time because you don't have your freedom. But you need to spend this time trying to better yourself. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you don't have your GED, you can actually get a GED at the prison. If you don't have your college degree, guess what? You can still get a college degree at the prison. So do not go to prison and become institutionalized. Go to prison and try to better yourself. If you have drug issues, which it appears you do, go to the prison, get help with your drug issues. If you do not change your life, when you come out of prison, because at some point you're going to come out of prison, you're going to find yourself right back at prison. And you need to remember, when you come out of prison, the first thing that you do, if you're not on parole, if you end up doing the entire 8 years, you need to register. Because if you do not register, you know what's going to happen? You're going to have another case and it's going to be failure to register. That registration is a lifetime registration. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do better. Good luck.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.